When will a true bullish indication arrive? You have never seen anything like this before, I assure you. Rumor has it that XRP Ripple has finally prevailed in its legal battle against the Securities and Exchange Commission. After more than 4 years of fighting, we eventually succeeded in our mission. According to experts, XRP might cost $589. Is that accurate? Everything is covered in this video. It will astound you. Let's get right to the point without further ado. Withdrawal. Judge Torres' historic decision marked a significant turning point in the continuing legal battle between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission. The native cryptocurrency of Ripple, XRP, was deemed non-security. This ruling caused a stir in the cryptocurrency community and was a major win for Ripple and its backers. The influence was felt in the legislative corridors, particularly in relation to the financial innovation and technology used in the 21st Century Act bill, which strengthened XRP's market position. Gensler Gary, the chairman of the SEC, teased the cryptocurrency community by saying, "Stay tuned," in reference to the decision on an Ethereum exchange-traded fund. He also hinted that regulatory clarity on XRP ETFs would come next. However, what is an ETF precisely, and why does XRP Ripple care about it? One kind of investment fund that monitors the performance of a particular asset or set of assets, such stocks, bonds, or commodities, is an exchange-traded fund. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are traded on stock markets, enabling share purchases and sales at market prices by investors throughout the trading day. ETFs are highly valued since they are less expensive than traditional mutual funds and offer greater diversification and liquidity. The launch of an ETF is extremely important for XRP Ripple. It would spare investors from the hassles of directly buying and keeping cryptocurrency by offering them a controlled and easily accessible way to be exposed to changes in XRP's price. Furthermore, institutional investors that are constrained by regulations or risk aversion are likely to be drawn to an XRP ETF, thus growing the number of XRP's investors and maybe increasing demand for the cryptocurrency. Judge Torres' decision has consequences that go beyond Ripple's short-term success. As the SEC's control over the market comes under increasing scrutiny, it portends a possible change in the balance of power within the cryptocurrency industry. Now that XRP's legal standing has been established, Coinbase, a well-known cryptocurrency exchange, with swiftly granted XRP trading permission in New York, a sign of the increasing trust in the company's regulatory position. Now that the legal battleground has settled, everyone's attention is focused on the approaching resolution of the Ripple SEC litigation. Following the submission of briefs, the judge's ultimate decision will take place, capping months of legal struggle. But rumors circulating in the industry indicate that the real settlement may have already been made behind closed doors, implying a settlement that would drastically alter Ripple and XRP's future course. The Ripple SEC saga's developing events perfectly capture the changing dynamics of the crypto regulatory environment. Every step, from court battles to legislative wrangling, highlights how the cryptocurrency ecosystem is developing. Emerging from the shadow of regulatory uncertainty, XRP is well positioned to redefine its place in the digital economy and pave the way for increased innovation and adoption. Though the fight for legitimacy and acceptability is far from done, Ripple and XRP are celebrating a hard-earned win for the time being. Prepare yourselves for what's about to happen, as if the turns and turns of the Ripple CC story weren't enough to keep you on the tip of your seat. Imagine this. Experts on Wall Street are waking up from sleep and hinting at a major change in the cryptocurrency space. Is it really true? They are not discussing Bitcoin, which is the most well-known digital currency. No, they're staring at something completely else, talking in whispers about XRP, implying that the dominance of Bitcoin might be overthrown. It seems unbelievable, doesn't it? Stay put, because what comes next will definitely blow your mind. A recent spike in XRP trading volume has sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency market, making Wall Street analysts sit up and take notice in this ever-changing world. CoinLast data shows that XRP's trade volume has increased by an astounding 60% in the last day, indicating that a noteworthy development is underway. This extraordinary upswing is primarily due to the world of derivatives trading, especially in perpetual XRP futures, where a staggering $2 billion in transactions was recorded. At the same time, the spot market saw an 18% increase in activity, amounting to a substantial $1.75 billion. When taken as a whole, these numbers demonstrate the enormous trading craze around XRP, with $3.75 billion in total turnover recorded on centralized platforms in a single day. The fact that this trading frenzy accounts for roughly 13% of XRP's current $29.5 billion market value is what makes it genuinely astounding. An intense hunger for XRP among investors is shown by such increased trading activity, which is a reflection of the cryptocurrency's popularity and potential for big price swings. Regarding price fluctuations, XRP's track record in comparison to Bitcoin is a fascinating tale in and of itself. XRP outperformed the market, rising by more than 3% against the top cryptocurrency, while Bitcoin fell by 1% during the general market drop. This divergence demonstrates XRP's tenacity and self-sustaining momentum, which sets it apart from the competition in turbulent markets. Wall Street analysts are raising the alarm as XRP keeps making waves in the cryptocurrency space. This is the moment to pay attention and take advantage of the chance before large sums of money enter the market. With XRP's price surpassing Bitcoin and its trading volume skyrocketing, the stage is set for a potentially revolutionary change in the cryptocurrency market. But despite all of the excitement and conjecture, one important question is still unanswered. What effect will these historic occurrences have on XRP's price? Undoubtedly, this is a question that consumes the thoughts of all XRP Ripple holders. But have no fear, expert views waiting to reveal the mystery and illuminate the XRP's future trajectory are hiding in the shadows of doubt. Get ready. What comes next is guaranteed to be a revelation unlike anything you've ever seen. Thus, as the excitement over XRP intensifies, both experts and enthusiasts in the field are using social media to share their audacious forecasts and insightful opinions. One statement jumps out from the clamor of posts and tweets. Next in line is the XRP ETF. Based on chart data, XRP is expected to reach a $500 billion market cap with a $10 price per share. Jack the Rippler tweeted, "Such a forecast has enormous ramifications and raises the possibility of a sharp increase in the value and market capitalization of XRP." Another tweet, this time from an XRP expert, is stoking more conjecture with the intriguing question XRP $589. The question's seeming simplicity conceals its deep meaning, as it raises the prospect that XRP may hit previously unheard of prices well above its current valuation. What, however, do these tweets actually represent for supporters of XRP in the larger cryptocurrency community? Let's examine these forecasts in more detail to understand their relevance. The XRP ETF is already known to us. With more liquidity available, there may be a spike in demand for XRP, which would raise its price and push it closer to the $10 threshold. Furthermore, XRP's estimated $500 billion market value attests to the cryptocurrency's enormous potential. XRP has established itself as a strong player in the digital asset market, with its use as a bridge currency for international payments and its alliances with significant financial institutions. A $500 billion market valuation, if attained, would propel XRP into the top tier of the cryptocurrency field and solidify its position as a formidable competitor. Regarding the $589 per XRP number, which seems arbitrary, it has sort of become a meme in the XRP community. Originating from a conjectural reading of a mysterious declaration made by a former Ripple official. Such speculative fervor highlights the enthusiasm and confidence surrounding XRP's potential trajectory, even though it may initially seem fanciful. Enter the whales. Just when you thought the tale could be any more interesting, you did really hear correctly. The seismic waves resounding through the XRP ecosystem were too great even for the whales, the titans of the crypto industry. Imagine these titans of the deep dive right into the fight with hundreds of millions of dollars on the line. But what precisely is going on behind the surface? Get comfortable, as we are about to get straight into the center of the action. And you're not ready for what's coming, I promise you. The cryptocurrency community is reportedly abuzz with excitement over a mind-blowing whale trade that involved almost 240 million XRP, or a whooping $127 million. The community has been shocked by this spectacle, leading many to question just what's going on behind the scenes. This transfer's mere enormity is enough to draw attention. The fact that the same recipient wallet was used in a different significant transaction just a few days prior is what's really fascinating, though. This pattern prompts questions and conjecture regarding the reasons behind these enormous shifts in wealth. The more we learn about the mysterious world of whale transactions, the more we realize how powerful and influential these organizations are in the market. Their actions have the potential to cascade across exchanges, influencing price trends and igniting waves of buying or selling activity. However, why would a whale carry out such large-scale transfers? Are they indicating that XRP is headed for a bull run, or are they just playing for short-term market swings? The answers to these queries are still a mystery concealed below a layer of conjecture and conjecture. In the risky game of cryptocurrency, whale movements are not an exception to the rule that every action has consequence. Their calculated moves have the potential to cause sharp price fluctuations, which would send shockwaves through the market and leave traders trying to make sense of it all. But despite all of the conjecture, one thing is certain. Within the dynamic and always changing crypto scene, fortunes can be created or destroyed in an instant. As we work to understand the enigmatic language of whales and the secrets surrounding their movements, there is no doubt about that. The only question left is, what are your opinions on the promise that the voyage ahead would be both thrilling and unpredictable? Do you think XRP Ripple will rise? Which predictions do you have? Please share your thoughts in the comment box. I'd be interested to know. We have now reached the conclusion of this video. I appreciate you seeing. Please remember to subscribe, leave a comment with your questions or comments, and hit the like button if you found the information helpful and enjoyable.